How to add a Tinder promo code. Have a Tinder promo code for a discount on gold. Here's how to redeem it step by step. First, launch the Tinder app and log into your account. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. This is where all your account options live. Scroll until you find the promo code. Okay, if you don't find it here, don't worry, you can just go to your browser and log in from there. Yes, you can log in from here or scroll down and you will see promo code right here, right? Tap on promo code. Now tap here and enter your promo code. Then you can tap redeem. And if the code is valid, your discount will apply instantly. You'll see confirmation of your free trial, discounted plan or bonus features from there. And that's it. That's how you redeem a Tinder promo code in just a few taps. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.